I'm outside. It's raining, it's cold, the day is very gloomy. What a perfect weather for staying in bed, right? That's what most people in my building think so. It's Saturday, it's weekend, and everyone is either sleeping or boozing off, sleeping or drinking or just killing time. They just wasted a precious day to improve, one precious day from their life. And here I am standing, making videos, sharing knowledge, learning as well, hustling, grinding just like every day. While they rest and focus on killing the time, that's where I advance and utilize the time I had. It's in your control. Every day you choose how to use your time, what to do, how can you do, what can you do. It's on your control. Those people who are sleeping and killing their time, they have lost a day. They have wasted a day. And me, I am one day ahead of them. Those average people, I am one day ahead of them. Moving closer to my goal. Don't be like those who don't see the value of each day. Time is not infinite. Time is limited, my friend. Time is very finite. Value every minute, value every hour, because we live certain time. We have limited time in this earth. As I say every day, what you do today shapes your tomorrow. My friends, be mindful of everything what you do and be active. Make sacrifice and make everything count. Bye.